Right here we have it set to amps. So we are pulling 0 or 0.08 amps to run this 28 volt DC motor. Right now we're getting free energy from Mr. Suno Sun, and I'm getting it from this 100-watt solar panel. And I want to show you when I put a load onto this motor, you can watch the amperage climb. 0.3230, and I can't stop this with my hand. I'm just putting pressure on it, so it's got great torque. Right here we're at 0.21, 0.22, 0.20. So you can see as you put a load on the motor, you can see it draws more amperage. And that's pretty much the common thing you have to deal with when you deal with magnetic electricity. But heck, man, can't complain. You got free energy running a DC motor off the solar sun. Thank you, Mr. Big One. Let's step inside here while that's running, and let's check out my static. I've been statified. Right here, I want to show you something unique. I have these two balls about that far apart. Have it hooked up to where the collector is, the bottom of this secondary coil. The top of the secondary coil is just sitting in front of that neodymium magnet with some metal shavings, and then that's a piece of silver sitting there. Now when I charge up this wheel, we're going to focus on what's going on over here. And you guys are going to be pretty interested in what you see. I'm learning a lot about this stuff. I'm like a hound dog sniffing all over it. Let's get the wheel turning. And let's focus on that silver. You see we have magnetic movement. You can see it's being drawn to the wire, and then you can hear the snap. It neutralizes itself. It snaps back, so this is a magnetic reaction. Sorry about the focus, guys. The phone's not liking the static right now. Let's go ahead and open this up a little bit, give it some better resistance. And let's see what we have here. That phone will not adjust. Let's see what's going on around here. You can see it fluttering. This is a charge in the copper wire. Let's go ahead and get this closer. Now that foil just blew off. Let's see what else we can find. Let's get a piece of gold. Here's some gold flake. Put the gold flake up there. Okay. See the gold flake expanding and contracting. You can see the metal shavings reacting to it. Let me see if I bring it closer. Let me see what the metal shavings do. Pretty close to the metal shavings. Got its own oscillatory system in this thing. Let's go back over her. Here, watch this, guys. Let me take some of this and just drop it. Over here too. Let's build up a little more charge. Watch this. You separate them a little bit. Let's get some charge built up in this puppy. Let me disconnect this piece of metal so it has no escape. Let's go ahead and charge it up real good. Oh yeah. And let's go ahead and stick just this little section here. You can see pieces flying. All kinds of things going on. You see that? Like if you drop it, you can see it. Woo, NASCAR. Let's go back to our Mr. Free Sun Solar running a DC 28 volt DC motor. Still pulling 0.7 amps on a no load. Let's put a load on it. Pulling some load and still running. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.